What would you rather have? 100 soulless robots spamming content about your brand on social media, or a single human who is truly passionate about content creation? If you chose the content bot army, I understand. Everyone on Twitter is saying they're going viral. AI UGC lead magnets on LinkedIn are popping off. And the math makes sense. The more videos you post, the higher chance of going viral, right? Well, not really. These content farms promise you millions of views because they can. You will get the 1 million views, just not in a way that you would like. You see, every video you post on social media will get around 800 views. That's the minimum needed for the algorithm to determine whether or not to push your content to a wider audience. So any video you post will get some views by default. That's why things like 200 view jail exists, but that's a different topic. The content farms, the mass AI UGC apps you hire, leverage these initial views to sell you on the million view promise. If one video they post gets 400 views on TikTok, 1000 on YouTube, and 300 on Instagram, they'll just post the same thing over and over again till they hit a million. Million views that don't matter at all. Million views from random people. Million views on your videos for a fraction of a second. Million worthless views. Mass content farms sound great in theory, but crumble in practice. It's a casino for companies that just raised that promises virality instead of real wins. But the numbers don't add up. I even hired my old math teacher to explain this further.
So the more you frown, the more you find out.
The end result of these spam content campaigns are 30 dead accounts that you have no access to and thousands of dollars down the drain. So now, let me ask you the same thing I asked in the beginning, just a little bit differently. Would you rather burn thousands of dollars to have 30 pages spam identical botted content for you, or would you rather invest that money to create content that attracts your ideal clients and builds a brand that you can use like an asset over and over again? If the latter seems like a better option, VidRain will be your best friend.